Hello, how you can triple your booked calls with this simple Facebook ad retargeting strategy. Over the next 3.5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to use the Hot Sevens ad sequence to re-engage your warm leads and then turn them into booked calls on autopilot. Now, if you want my Hot Sevens retargeting ad templates so you can actually turn more leads into booked calls without spending extra on ads, just drop the word hot below. I can send this over to you. Hello, I'm Tina Sanford, and I've been specialising in advertising for businesses worldwide and especially focusing on highly effective low-cost video ads. Now, I did retire in 2010, but at the moment, I'm helping people to leverage video ads to grow their business and free up the time. Okay, so let's talk about a common problem that actually kills profitability for business owners running ads right now. Let's say you're getting your leads in, you can see them, but let's say they're not converting to book calls. Heck, that's bad. Let's say you're running ads, people are engaging, you can see it in your data. Maybe they're even opting in for your free resource. But after that, silence. They don't book in calls. They don't buy. They disappear. You can see the data. You can see people are landing, but they're not turning into calls. Now, most business owners right now are assuming the problem is with their funnel or with their offer. So what people are doing is they're tweaking their sales pages. They're adding more proof. They're even changing their pricing, adding discounting, all these little tricks. But here is the truth right now. The real problem is that your leads are not being consistently re-engaged and they're getting distracted by other ads. Okay? People don't always take action the first time they see an offer anyway. You know that, and we know that. We're all people, we've all been there. We know that people get distracted and then they forget, or they can't find you. Even if they were interested, they don't know how to find you. They can't remember. They remember seeing you, seeing your offer, going, where was that? They might just need one more push to move forward too. But this is where this Hot 7 sequence actually comes in. We've structured it as a retargeting strategy that kind of puts out a spider web of ads in front of your warm leads. And what it does, it gives them multiple opportunities to take the next step and book a call when they're ready. I want to share with you how this works and why it works. What happens is your leads will see multiple angles and social proof case studies, testimonials, and also direct invitations. So they're reminded pretty much constantly why they should take action and they won't get bored of this. What happens is you stay top of mind. So even if they were not ready at first, they will remember you when they are. And you'll be the top choice for their problem. And the best thing is it's completely automated. Okay? Running the background to bring in your high quality calls without the extra effort. So as soon as your leads are ready, they know how to book a call with you. Right? It's really simple. You don't have to do anything else once it's set up. So if you want my Hot 7 retargeting ad templates, so you can book in more leads into calls without spending extra on ads, just drop the word hot below and I can send this over to you. And the really cool thing is, with this strategy running in the background, you'll automatically re-engage with warm leads, keeping them interested, and this will drive more calls from the traffic you already bought and paid for, and it will bring them in your calls when they're ready.